guys, I'm on my way to Walgreens to pick up my GuruNanda essential oils, and it's been helping me so much with so many things. So let's check it out. I'm ready to enjoy the benefits of the essential oils. I've got a bunch of them, but the one I want to talk about right now is the lavender. I've been going through a lot of changes, so I need to relax a little bit. So what I do is pretty much like put a few drops on my wrist like this, and then just like, so good. Tonight when I go to sleep, I'm gonna put some drops on my pillow so I can sleep like a baby. The lavender is imported all the way from Bulgaria. Actually, all the essential oils from GuruNanda have the best quality materials, and guys, get yourself some. You can find it at Walgreens, Walmart, even Amazon. So enjoy some essential oils.